so we're having this issue of the axle not clearing the drum, or the drum not clearing the axle. The drum hole's a little bit too small. On my Chevelle at home, what I did is I popped all these studs out of here and let the car run and idle, and I hit this with a grinder, but this car is not at this point. So what I'm going to do is this little trick. Okay, so here's my lathe, and here's the trick. Some of you guys probably already know what I'm going to do, but here it is. Don't ever leave that in there. Okay. That's good, it seems to clear. Okay, well I had a little wobble, so I took the drum back off. This looks pretty good, so the rest would be the slap and the lug nuts. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on.
Like a smoothie taper bit.
What's that?
Like a taper bit in.
Okay, so what I was doing is I was running this backwards and trying to tighten this up. It touches. So I was trying to, with the lug nut's a little loose. I just kind of round this around backwards to get it to self-centered, or not totally loose, they're just a little snug so it could move. And so it's pretty darn good in the middle. I think you see it wobble. Go wide here. You see it wobble. I think it's just irregularities in the casting. But the inner circle seems to be okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it. Okay, so this is where we want to be on this thing, and I'm going to open up the drum a little bit. I think it only needs about a 1/16. Yeah, like that. All right, so it actually worked the first time, which is cool. And there it is.